Ang mga naganap sa isang press conference ng biggest annual charity bazaar sa bansa na naganap sa lungsod ng Pasay. Panoorin po natin ito.
Shop Global, Help Local. Ito ang temang hatid ng International Bazaar na muling magaganap sa darating na November 3 sa isang exhibition and trade center sa Pasay.
Namaste!
Ang taunang bazaar ay pinangunahan ng International Bazaar Foundation Incorporated sa pakikipagtulungan sa spouses of the heads of missions at diplomatic and consular missions in the Philippines. At kamakailan lamang ay naganap ang press conference ng International Bazaar 2024 bilang paghahanda para sa pagbubukas nito sa publiko.
This is a bazaar that is not just for the sake of shopping, but more because we would like to touch more lives through the funds that we raise, because the programs that we undertake, like for example, scholarship program, support for the elderly and abused children, victims of calamities, startup funds for livelihood projects for distressed communities. These are really the aim of IBF, is to help more people and to give them hope.
Sa naturang press conference, ipinakita ng mga diplomatic missions ng Argentina, Australia, Ghana, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Japan, Singapore, Syria, Turkey, United States of America at Vietnam ang ilang popular na produkto na kanilang ibebenta.
This year, after a very long time, the US is joining, and they're having 16 booths with different products.
Ayon sa kinatawan ng United States at Vietnam, isa itong malaking oportunidad para sa kanilang bansa upang maipakilala ang sarili nilang kultura at produkto sa mga mamimili sa Pilipinas.
I think that part of what will help us here is that it will point out to Filipinos, in case they're not aware, that many of the food items, and so we're really excited that we have a chance to just point out some of the great ingredients the Filipinos are already enjoying, and maybe give some of them a chance to try something new too.
We can show you a lot of special, unique products already exported to Philippines, and some we want to distribute in Philippines. It's also distributed to a lot of countries in the world.
Sa pamagitan ng pagsuporta sa International Bazaar, hindi lamang tayo nakakakuha ng mga natatanging produkto mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, kundi nagbibigay din tayo ng mahalagang tulong sa mga nangangailangan sa ating sariling komunidad.